Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill we're making a delicious barbecue smoked turkey on the pit barrel cooker. Just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. When it comes to cooking on the grill, one of the things I really enjoy is cooking a turkey. You know, they're inexpensive, they feed a lot of people, and they're just a lot of fun to make. And so today we're gonna be making a barbecue turkey on the pit barrel cooker, and it's gonna be so good. So to get started with this recipe, you're first of all gonna need a turkey. This was a previously frozen turkey. I spent a few days defrosting it, and now we're ready to go. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all of the unwanted fat that's on this bird still. Take it off this side. Then you'll notice that right on the front here, there's this big flap where it goes into the neck. I'm gonna trim some of this off. Okay, that's trimmed up the way I like it. And so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these wing tips and I'm gonna just fold them back behind the breast here. Do the same to the other side. There we go, let them lounge a little bit, right? All right, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is injecting it. And today we're using a combination of butter and some garlic infused olive oil and some rosemary infused olive oil. And so I have about a half a cup of this melted butter. And then to that, I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of this rosemary infused olive oil. Just gonna kind of eyeball it. And then I'm gonna add in this garlic. There we go. Let's give this a mix together. There we go. And so I'm going to take my injection needle and I'm going to suck up as much as I can into this. And then from the leg section, I'm going to take that needle and I'm going to carefully go into that breast. And I want to go in through the back because I'm going to be hanging this upright. And so I want any of the holes that I make to be on the top so that butter doesn't just melt out. Go into the other side, and we'll get that needle as far down as we can. And then lastly, I'm going to put a little bit into that thigh meat. Just grab a couple spots. And so the reason that we injected it this way with that garlic and that rosemary oil in there is we want that flavor to be inside that meat. Because if we only put it underneath the skin, it wouldn't have enough time for that flavor to really penetrate into that meat and give us a nice flavor with every bite. With our turkey injected, let's move on to seasoning the outside. And so I'm gonna start by flipping this turkey over, and I'm gonna be placing on some of my Postal barbecue rub. This is the original rub. This is going to add a little bit of sweetness. And then to that, I'm going to add in some of my beef rub. And this is going to add a little bit of spice. It's going to add a little bit of extra texture to the outside. There we go. I'm going to flip that back over. And let's get this top section. Again, we're going to hit it with the sweeter rub. And then second, I'm going to hit it again with this beef rub. All right, there we go. This looks great. And so the last thing that we need to do to prep our turkey is to take our hanging rod. And I'm going to put this up through the neck. Grab it on this side and take our hanger part. And so our turkey's just going to be hanging in the pit barrel just like this. And so let's go ahead and get that pit barrel ready for cooking. To set up our pit barrel today, I filled up the charcoal basket all the way full, and then I took out about 40 briquettes and then placed it into the small chimney starter and got them fully lit. Once those coals were fully lit, I dumped them into the pit barrel cooker, I placed those rebar back in, and then closed the lid and let it come up to temperature. While I was waiting for our pit barrel to come up to temperature, I went ahead and got our meat thermometer all set up. Today I'm using the Meter Plus, which is a great combination when using the pit barrel because it's sometimes challenging to get your wires in and out of the rebar holes. This just simplifies everything. And so I'm going to place this into the thickest part of the breast. We go through the skin here. All right, there we go. And so with everything ready to go, let's go ahead and get this turkey into the pit barrel. Okay, I'm also going to place in a couple pieces of applewood. Place that more back in the center. Then I'm going to close the lid and we'll begin cooking this turkey for probably about 3.5 to 4 hours until it reaches the internal temperature of 165 degrees. So we're about 2 hours now into this cook and the pit barrel has been running steady just below 275 degrees. And so let's open up the grill and take a look. You can see that it has some nice color forming from that rub as well as from that applewood, but we know it's not done, so let's get it back into the pit barrel, close the lid, and we'll continue cooking this until the breast comes up to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Our turkey has now been smoking in the pit barrel cooker for 3 hours and 45 minutes, and we've just been notified from our meat thermometer that it's reached an internal temperature of 163 degrees. So I'm going to open up the grill and take a look. Just gonna probe in the side here. I don't know if you can see all of those juices just come out of this. This is juicy, it's amazing. All right, so we do have 165 in the breast and about 185 in the thighs. And so this is perfect. So I'm gonna pull it off, let it rest for a little bit, and then we'll get in for the taste test. This turkey came out absolutely perfect. I cooked it in the pit barrel for 3 hours and 45 minutes total time. And this is a 13-pound turkey, so just kind of use that as a rough guide. The color on this turkey is real nice, and the aroma that's coming off it is phenomenal. So let's cut into it and go for the taste test. And today I'm going to be using my new Dalstrong carving set. I'll put a link to this in the description box below if you're interested. Okay, let's cut some of this breast out. Oh, look at all these juices just running throughout. This is amazing. All right, let's go for this piece right here. Oh, this is juicy. All right, here's the taste test. Oh man. There's so much flavor in this turkey, guys. That injection that we put in there with that rosemary and that garlic is coming through really, really nicely. It's juicy. Guys, the flavor is phenomenal. Let's cut into the leg quarter and just see what that looks like as well. We'll grab this. This is my favorite part of the turkey. My goodness. This is unreal. Guys, I'm telling you, if you've never tried cooking a turkey like this in the pit barrel cooker, make sure to give it a try because you will be in for a treat. It's smoky, juicy, and makes an amazing feast. This pit barrel smoked turkey is one you're gonna enjoy for sure. Hey, if you wanna see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.